dear students, in this video we are going to learn how to construct a right angle triangle when hypotenuse and one side is given. Now before this video we had already seen how to construct a triangle when all three sides, length of all three sides are given, when two sides and included angle is given, when two angles and included side is given. Now in this video this is also same type of construction, but before that we have to draw analytical figure, so we comes to know how to draw original figure or how to draw original figure. So that is why first of all we draw analytical figure. Now if we read in triangle ABC, length of AC is 7.5 centimeter, measure of angle ABC is 90 degree and length of BC is 5.5 centimeter. Now what we have to do, just see which angle is given. Measure of angle ABC, that means angle B is given. Angle B is given. So this is right angle, so just draw here one right angle. Now this is right angle, so A B C is right angle. Now B is 90 degree. So what is the base? Here base is BC. So BC is given to you, that is 5.5 centimeter, and AC is given 7.5 centimeter. Now as we see here, hypotenuse and one side is given. So which is the hypotenuse here? Now the side which is opposite to right angle is called hypotenuse. The side which is opposite to right angle is called hypotenuse. That means in this triangle AC, segment AC is the hypotenuse. Now we have to draw, this is analytical figure. Draw one box here. Now we have to draw original figure here. Now what we do, first we have to draw base as I said in previous videos. Five centimeter, 5.5 centimeter. So we take here 2 points at first point is at 0 and second point is at 5.5, and then we join that 2 points, so we get this is 5.5 centimeter segment BC. Now what we have to do, we have to draw right angle from point B. So take protractor, put pointed part, this pointed part on this point, and this line should be on the given segment. Now put point on the 90 degree and draw one perpendicular line which passing through these 2 points. So this, in this way we get our right angle. Now from C, AC is 7.5 centimeter. That means from C, A is at the distance of 7.5 centimeter. So we should take the 7.5 centimeter distance in this compass. Put point on the 0 and then 7.5, and take distance in between these two end of the compass. Now put pointed part on the C and draw one arc on this perpendicular line. So here this perpendicular line and this arc intersect at one point. This point is known as point E. So we get point A. Just join this point A and C. this is AC, we get that AC segment, and this is 7.5 centimeter. In this way we can easily construct the triangle when one hypotenuse and one side is given in right angle triangle. We will see another example, that is in triangle STU. SU is 5 centimeter, ST is 4 centimeter, and STU is a right angle triangle. Now see here, STU is a right angle triangle, that means angle T is 90 degree. So when we draw analytical figure, we should know. Now we draw this figure differently from right hand side. We take a right angle at the right hand side. This is right angle, and STU is a right angle triangle. They said STU is right angle triangle, that means here STU, you can take STU here or SUT, here S, here U, here T, here T, here U. Now okay, you take that serially names S, T and U. Now SUT is given to you? No, but EST is given to you, that is 4 centimeter. So you should take EST at the bottom. That is why we put here ST, S and T. So ST is 4 centimeter because we cannot draw this figure if we do not know base. So if we take this side as a base, ST, okay, this is ST and this is point U. So you get STU triangle. ST is the base, which is 4 centimeter. ESU is the, now SU is opposite to the right angle, that is hypotenuse, which is given to you 5 centimeter. Now you can draw it easily. See, take 4 centimeter distance here, and draw one segment, that is, and given the name ST, which is 4 centimeter. This is analytical figure. Draw one box. Now angle T is right angle, that means 90 degree. So you should draw a right angle from point T, put pointed this origin of the protractor on this point, line should be on the line, and put point on 90 degree and draw one segment perpendicular. Here is the, we get 90 degree angle. Now distance SU is 5 centimeter. So from SU point is at 5 centimeter. Between point S and U, distance is the 5 centimeter. So we should take 5 centimeter distance here. Then that distance we take in the compass. Put pointed part on the S and draw one arc here. So this point, this arc and perpendicular line intersect at this point, which is known as point U. Now join these 2 points. So we get here 5 centimeter. Hope you all are understand it very well. See, in this, when I'm talking about this example, I'm trying to rearrange the names of this triangle here, because just keep in your mind the things which are the side or the hypotenuse which is given to you in the example, you should arrange it in, first of all, in analytical figure. So in this figure you have a chance to identify which is the base, which is the hypotenuse, and you can make mistakes, you can make error, and you can correct it here also, only here. If you correct all these errors here, then you can easily construct a perfect diagram after correcting this analytical figure. So what we do here also we do the same things. First we make errors, we make mistakes here, we made mistakes here, then we corrected it, and then we comes to know that this is the perfect figure, and then we draw this original figure. In this way you have to draw all that things. Hope you all are understand it. Thank you very much.